Hi YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how I fixed my mic stand. Well, first of all, I had a really hard time because I'm going to show you if I loosen this thing up. This goes just all the way down, so then I could never fix a position. So what I did is just replace the screw. Right now it is the new one, but here I got the old one. So let me show you. I hope you could see that here it just becomes wasted. It couldn't stand any kind of weight, so that explains why I couldn't use the mic stand properly. First time I replaced with this bolt, which it has some hexagonal head, but I need to use this tool, which I don't really know the name, and then I stop with this, the head of the bolt. So with the handle of the mic stand, I just push it until it becomes tight and so on. Well, I end up switching this bolt for a screw. Obviously you need to, the screw has to be the same, obviously. I changed the screw and it has some cross type head. I use a screwdriver and then I just tied it up with the handle, so I could stop it in whatever position I needed. For example, like that. I don't have a screwdriver right now. You could imagine how it works. Very simple. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up if you think it's useful, or just leave a comment. So see you next time. Goodbye.